Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know that it's been a while and guys, I'm sorry. Today I want to talk to you about a product that a lot of you want to use, a lot of you need the result from this particular ingredient, but most of you are very afraid of the consequences and all of that. So today I want to talk about this ingredient. I know I talk about it a lot. Some of you are even saying, Posh, Sele, why are you always talking about this ingredient? Yes, I'm going to keep talking about it because a lot of misconceptions have been circulating and most of you do not understand how this ingredient works. Now, a couple of days ago, somebody sent me a message. Sorry, I'm in my bathroom. Yes, because I'm done trying to have perfect videos and just trying to sit down and anywhere I see, and I have an idea or I have a question from you guys, I will set my camera and I will talk about that problem. Okay. So a couple of days ago, somebody sent me a message. This is somebody from our mentorship group. And by the way, if you haven't joined that group, join the link. Use the link in the description bar to join. Because from time to time, I post a lot of gem, a lot of gem on there. Anyways, I'm digressing as usual. Sorry, it's my ADHD moving. So, this lady sent me a message and she was confused as to why um, some people who use hydroquinone get dark knuckles, dark elbows, dark knees, like the tough areas on their skin gets really dark and they look like burnt plantain, right? And I thought about it. I'm like, instead of answering directly, why not make a video so that you guys can also benefit from it? By the way, if you love my hair, this is a 34 inches or so bust down, bone straight wig. If you like to get wigs like this, join our pre-order group on WhatsApp using the link in the description bar. Okay. Again, I am digressing as usual, but let's get back to track. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio, and I am a Nigerian based beauty influencer, skincare general specialist, a lifestyle content creator, because you guys are going to start seeing fashion content on this channel as well. Yes, we're doing it all. Anyways, I know that I'm always digressing, but yeah, I'm a beauty influencer, right? Hair, makeup, skin, nails, everything in between, we're there. Okay, so first of all, let's break this down and understand the core of hydroquinone. First of all, let's break down the core, right? Hydroquinone is a tyrosine inhibitor. What that means is it reduces the production of melanin by blocking the enzyme that converts tyrosine to melanin, if that makes sense. So basically, when this happens, your skin gets lighter. And in controlled use, that leads to lightening of hyperpigmentation. So basically, if you use it properly, controlled, emphasis on controlled, it can lighten your skin. Okay, so this brings us to the question, why do some people get a dark knuckles, dark elbows, um, rougher skin around the parts of your body that is thicker and has more keratin? There are three main processes that are happening when you get dark knuckles while using products that contain hyperpigmentation. And we're going to talk about them one after the other, so you get a broader understanding of what this ingredient is and how you can best use this ingredient. Hydroquinone is a chemically unstable compound, especially when it's exposed to light, to heat, to air. And when oxidation happens in hydroquinone, it turns into a compound called quinones, which makes it dark, or which are darker in color. A properly formulated hydroquinone product will stay clear or slightly yellow, but an oxidized hydroquinone will turn brown or black. Now, when you apply an oxidized product, you're no longer applying a pure inhibitor. You're now applying a reactive pigment forming compound, which makes the stratum corneum brown or darker. The stratum corneum is the top layer of your skin. We talked about it in so many videos. You can check my link. Again, an oxidized hydroquinone can also cause irritation, which paradoxically can lead to more pigmentation, because when your skin is irritated, your skin is creating more pigments to protect itself. And that's why your skin gets darker when you abuse or misuse hydroquinone. This does not only apply to hydroquinone, any other ingredient at all. This is one of the biggest reasons for skin darkening. We also have irritation, which can cause post-inflammatory pigmentation. I'm holding my camera because it keeps falling down, so this is how we're going to do the video. Now, when your skin is irritated, it activates inflammations, which then stimulates melanocytes, which then causes your skin to produce more melanin, thereby causing your skin to darken. And this is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Already your elbow, your knuckles, your knees, your feet sometimes are already prone to friction and micro inflammations. When you now add hydroquinone irritation, they darken instead of getting lighter. Now, the third one is uneven penetration in thick skin areas. Your knuckle and similar areas like your elbows, your feet, and all of that have thicker stratum corneum. That's the top layer of the skin is thicker. It also has more keratin buildup and lower product absorption consistency. Now, when this happens, what exactly you should know is that some parts of your skin absorb this ingredient properly, while others do not absorb properly or even absorb at all. So when it absorbs properly, your skin lightens properly. When it doesn't absorb properly or absorb at all, some parts of your skin look darker than the others. Now, a long time use of hydroquinone, especially unprofessionally used, can cause